icons aren't born. They are crafted, forged by passion, and driven with purpose. With one promise, to keep defying ordinary. For decades, this icon has been your trusted companion, empowering you to push the boundaries of what's possible. From generation to generation, it has evolved for you, around you.
Good evening, Abu Dhabi. Thank you for joining us here. We welcome you. Tonight, we are unveiling an iconic vehicle, the all-new Nissan Patrol. Welcome everyone to the global launch.
It's our pleasure to be here with you today. We have spent countless hours in Japan bringing on the future of Nissan.
Nissan's most beloved and enduring vehicles, the all-new Nissan Patrol.
الجيل ده هو جيل مختلف تماما.
It's a big vehicle.
ده نيسان باترول الجديد.
كل شيء جديد من الآخر. 425 حصان، 700 تورك، توين توربو.
The Patrol is not just a car. It is a culture.
There is perfection, and Patrol is just above the perfection.
This is a car of Nissan. This is truly defy ordinary.
There are many words that come to mind when I think about the Patrol. But there is one word that says it all. Ustura, which means legend in Arabic.